EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for August 5th, 2019. For your Monday, back to work, we are partly to mostly cloudy across the region, depending on where you are. Further north and west in our coverage area today, we'll see a lot more sun than will the areas to the south and east, and that's because we have a boundary, a frontal boundary, that's actually sitting right down here, kind of right across our southern regions. And closest to that boundary, we'll have not only more clouds, but the opportunity for a passing shower or two, and that's going to be mainly southeast of I-95. I think further north and west, you're okay, and then your cloud line is going to be something up here like this. So anything up in these regions are probably mostly sunny today. Further south and east, you're going to be kind of in between here. You're going to have these little, periods of partly cloudy versus mostly cloudy, and then further southeast, close to that front, you're going to have more clouds than sun, and even some parts in the day that are going to be overcast completely. Again, that's going to be favoring the afternoon hours when you're closest to that shower chance. So we're going to get over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Before I do that, I want to get to the cloud coverage to show you what we're going to do. This is starting off at noon. So you see some clouds across our southern regions here, right in these areas. These are all areas that have more clouds than sun. Areas further to the northwest, you do not have that issue. As we move through the day, though, you can see the clouds kind of sitting over these areas right in here. All right, now this is getting toward the evening. Up here in the northern country, up here for State College of Williamsport, over to the Scranton Wilkes-Barre area, you have a pretty good day today. Further south and east, you're going to be running into some periods of partly to mostly cloudy skies in the middle here. Down here, close to the front, down in the southeastern areas, that's where we're going to have the opportunity for more clouds than sun, and mostly cloudy skies in that region. So that's where the clouds are working out today. As far as the NAM high-res future simulated radar, here's a look at early afternoon. You see some scattered shower activity down to the southeast here, across Delaware, parts of Maryland. Moving this forward from this point, you can see they're really just concentrated just southeast of 995, southern New Jersey, Delaware, maybe getting up to around Philadelphia or so with a spotty shower there. But elsewhere in the interior, not dealing with precipitation at all today. So it should be okay with that. We're going to be dealing with another prefrontal trough here on Tuesday, and that's going to get some areas into some scattered showers and thunderstorms here late in the day, and you can see that right here. There's also another cold front that's sitting back here that's going to come through on Wednesday. That's not the real cold air push that we're talking, or not cold, but cooler air push that everybody's been talking about coming at the very end of the week into the weekend. Next weekend's going to be very pleasant. This is not the front that's going to usher that in. This is the first front. In order to see this, you have to back it out a little bit. We'll look at this at nationally. This is that same point we were at on Tuesday. So you have the isolated thunderstorms along a prefrontal trough axis. It'll be sitting right about here. Okay, there's your prefrontal trough. Here's Wednesday's front associated with this area low pressure right here. So this prefrontal trough is running out ahead of it on Tuesday. The one that's going to bring the cool air is going to be all the way back here. This is a Canadian front, and this is going to come through on Thursday night, it looks like. So this is all going to be quickly moving off to the south and east. This is going to have much cooler air behind it. So instead of being in the mid to upper 80s to near 90 degrees, we're talking about temperatures that are going to be instead in the 80 to 82 degree range as we get into the Friday, Saturday, Sunday time frame of this week. So that's the one that's going to bring that in late in the week. But again, it looks like we're going to have the opportunity for these prefrontal scattered showers on Tuesday, but it doesn't look like too much going on until we get later in the day. This is going through noon on Tuesday, so once we get past that point, we'll have some isolated and scattered activity moving across at least the eastern portions of the state here on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we'll have a better chance at scattered showers and thunderstorms as that front moves through. If I get to that image here, right here. Okay, here's Tuesday. As we get to Wednesday, here's scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through the region with the first cold front. Here's the second one coming into the picture. That's going to be on Thursday night, and that's going to usher in the cooler air. So Thursday, here's a look at Thursday. We're partly cloudy on Thursday. No precipitation expected. And we're going to still have very warm temperatures, because that first front that came through really didn't do anything to the temperatures. It's the second one that does that, and this is going to be a dying front moving to the southeast because of the timing of this. Now, this changes. This will lead to some precipitation in our area as well. As of now, the timing of this is coming in through Thursday night overnight, so it just kind of falls apart as it moves through. See that? So maybe we could leave the opportunity for a shower or a storm Thursday night or early Friday, but this is going to move through pretty quickly, and then Friday is going to have lowering humidity, lowering temperatures. Again, we're going to get down to maybe lower 80s for highs here on Friday. I wouldn't be surprised if some areas across the Poconos don't get out of the 70s, parts of this weekend, but we are looking at mostly sunny skies both Saturday and Sunday. I'll tell you what, folks, everybody's been complaining about how much rain we've had, and rain is ridiculous. We've had so much rain, but we have been very, very lucky so far this summer with the weekends. The weekends have been tremendous. Now, they might have been hot and hotter than you like, or more humid than you like at certain times, but they have been dry for the most part. Other than some isolated stuff, we haven't had any washout weekends, really, in a very long time. This is the exact opposite of what we were dealing with last summer. So although we had some periods there, we had some thunderstorms moving through, slow-moving storms, dumped a tremendous amount of rain over a short period of time. We had some flash flooding issues here and there, above average precipitation. A lot of that was happening during the week, so when everybody's off on the weekend, at least we're getting some nice weather, so we can't complain about that. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for August 5th, 2019. Have a great Monday.